Okay, I wanted to introduce the car that's coming to the garage. You guys may have seen the video where I say goodbye to the Camaro. So this is a 2021 Stingray in Sebring Orange. I bought it from a dealer in Indiana with 870 miles on it. It is a Z51 package, performance package, which consists of bigger Brembo brakes, stiffer suspension, electronic differential. It's got the performance NPP exhaust, summer tires, front splitter, rear spoiler, and it's got better cooling, which is one of the main reasons I bought it. If I ever go to really modify the car, I want better cooling on board. Sebring Orange is a metallic paint. So car does have mag ride and front lift. The wheels are aftermarket, made by BC Forged. These are RZ21s in the stock 19 and 21 inch. I did have the car PPF covered in the front, and I ceramic coated the car just last weekend, and also the wheels. So you may want to ask, why ceramic coated if it's got PPF? Well, it's only got PPF in the front and down the sides here and up into the ducts. Every place else is just raw paint. So but the ceramic coating makes it a lot easier to clean, and you'll notice there's like no brake dust on the wheels. It does a great job on keeping the brake dust off the wheels, and it's super easy to wash. So let's take a look at the interior and I'll show you that a little bit. So Bob is the original owner, lives in Ohio. He did a lot of carbon fiber in this car, core replacement carbon fiber, as you can see. So these are not stick-ons. The only place it's stick-on is the small trim pieces in the middle and along underneath the dash, because they don't make a core replacement. So the GT2 seat is an option. This is a 2LT car, so it does have upgraded interior with all the safeties on it. The two-tone seat is also an option that I really like. It was hard to find two-tone and tan and black. I like the black center because with all the perforations, it doesn't look dirty like it does in lighter colored cars. Let's go look at the engine. So the engine is a 6.2 liter LT2. Again, Bob had a lot of carbon fiber in here and had a semi-custom cover put on. Very nice. You can't see it, but that white is actually a carbon fiber look. I'm pretty sure it's hydro, but... So the Targa top would fit back here and lock in. It's not a convertible, it is a coupe, but the top does come off, which is nice. 5% tint on the sides, and the small window in the back. And the front windshield is also tinted to keep heat out. So it's only 70%. So it's really easy to drive at night. Now, I guess this is not genuine leather. But man, you would have fooled me. I mean, it's soft, it's smooth, nice stitching. And it feels good. It doesn't feel plasticky at all. I mean, it's cushy. That's plastic right there, but this is soft. This is all soft. So it's a type of vinyl, from what I understand. These are plastic. But yeah. Carbon fiber waterfall. Center console and cup holder. The steering wheel is also carbon fiber, retains all of its factory functions, including heat. It's got the video display with a regular rear view mirror. Of course, it's got OnStar and all that stuff. Comparing the ride of the Corvette to the Camaro, cornering, both are really good. The Corvette seems to turn in faster. It's lighter on its feet. Acceleration in the Corvette is much smoother. Of course, it's a lot quicker than the Camaro. Camaro was heavier. But I would say 60 to 130, the Camaro would have this beat in a race. That's the video rear view. So of course this has mag ride, like I said, so the Camaro. I use them both. I use a mag ride quite a bit. Going over railroad tracks, nice roads like this, going into sport. Having track is nice if you're at the track. It's a little bit bumpy in both cars to be using it daily. If it's a super smooth road, yeah, but even then, I mean, there's Z mode, which changes a lot of things. So Z mode being active changes the parameters. They're all editable. You can change them however you want. So this kind of feels like track the way I have it set up. I do like the infotainment center, very responsive, a lot like an iPhone or an Android. I heard that was one of the things with the C7 that people didn't like, was you would touch it. Is that you would touch the display and it would not respond fast enough. It's like you have to kind of press a little harder. Anyway, yeah, so the Corvette is much smoother. It's a more refined car than the Camaro. The Camaro was more of a muscle car, street fighter kind of feel, where this is, I don't know, more touring, I feel. Anyway, so yeah, that's kind of the basic rundown of the car. And I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoy the channel. And we're going to have more content coming out here very soon. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good day.